Hello everyone. This is the requirement of the budget management system web application. So here we have to, based on these requirements, we have to develop a web application in which we can calculate our budget and we can allocate the budget and export all the calculations in the Excel sheet. We can see the profile and login. There should be a diagram and this should be the login page like this. There should be a username, password, forget password, remember, and this should be the dashboard. And here we can see our calculations in the form of statistics, graphs, and analysis. Dashboard should be like this. We have to design this application as per the this given requirements. So here we will go to the local host. Yeah, it is taking quite time to reload this local host. Maybe server is not running, that's why it is showing this error, unable to connect. So first of all, we will start the XAMPP server, XAMPP dashboard. So here XAMPP control panel, we are able to see. Now we will start the Apache server and MySQL server. So again we will reload this local host. Now we will able to see this folder structure. Here this folder structure is in drive D in PHP. Here htdocs. This structure we are able to see in this browser. So here we will go to the assignment expert section. Now here we are able to see different folders. So again we will move in the budget management system. So here we are able to see here in this budget management system. So this one is this is the login page which we have designed. Now we use admin admin@admin.com. Here in password admin123. Now sign in. Now we are able to see this structure. So the log we can see the login page. Here we have designed this login page. This one. This is the login page which we are able to see. Password, sign in option. Here forget password, remember. So these we have seen in that application. Now here we go to the dashboard section. This is the dashboard which in the requirement it is given dashboard. Just a minute. Yeah, here is dashboard, user management system, roles, users, expense management system, change password. So here we have designed accordingly. Dashboard, here expense management system. Here we can add new expense, plumbing, design. So these are we are able to see here in this new project. Yeah, here we have seen this is the expense category here, which is showing in this expense category. Now this is start date, amount. In expense category, we are seeing the certain drop down menus: electrical technician, HVAC technician, plumbing technician, carpentry technician, and ground technician, which we are able to see electrical technician, HVAC technician, plumbing technician, carpentry technician, ground technician. So these are showing in this format. Here, after adding this, here we will enter the required data. We will save this. So it is again we can see the list. Here after adding this, all the data should come here, and this is the report of every data, and this is the user management system. Here we can add new user, name, email, password, role, confirm password, and there should, we can upload the image also from this, and then we will save this. So we can see this in the user list, not user list, in the page name is user, new user. So here this is the HTML format: first name, last name, user, employer, project manager, admin. This we are able to see in this user profile. Choose file, email, confirm password, and all the JavaScript is given here for this application. And this is the list of user: administration, administrator, admin at the rate admin, admin. From here we can upload, delete, view, means all the required things, required operation we can perform from here. So this is the manage account. From here we can be able to update our information. Now, now we will go into the technical section. Here we have designed the application. This is the PHP file. So first of all, our starting terms will be, we have to create a database, and say, and the passwords for the database. We have to enter the password for the database. Here PHP myadmin. Yeah, this is the database for the application. Here user, we are able to see stored information in the PHP server, and task list. Here we can see the task list, budget. There is not any entry, but we can insert from the application form in the web application from here, and we can do the logout, and we will able to see this. So here, if we will click on the remember password by entering the credentials, admin 123. Now we are able to save the password in this browser. Here showing the total expense and total budget, and based on the projects. Now here in the budget management system, here this is the PHP pages, and here this is the database for the stored information, and in the asset section we have able to see plugins. These are the plugins for which we are using to design the application, and in the disk section this is the CSS. Now we are opening this in the Notepad++. So in this C++, here admin dot, this is the design view for this. And this is the jQuery and other CSS style sheets which we are using to develop in this application. This is the admin panel. Sorry, this is the CSS style sheet which we are using in the Bootstrap, and from the Bootstrap we are designing these templates, and this is the JavaScript. It is in it is showing like this because it is in encrypted form. We will not able to see this. It is in encrypted form. That's why we are not able to understand. This is the pages, and which we have designed, which we designed the JavaScript. Plugins and uploads. This is also the encrypted form. We will not able to see this. We will not able to read this page also. So based on these documents, based on these files, we have designed this application. So now from here we can do the logout. So this that this is the overall understanding of the project. Thank you.